What's up guys, Appledroid? This is just a quick show and tell of a little app I'm working on. This is going to be a brand new app. I was going to add this into the SLS AI Pro, but it's going to cause a lot of problems. So I decided just to make a new app. This is going to be called SLS Pocket, and basically is a real depth view style application, just like the SLS, etc. Except it's not firing off little beams of infrared light everywhere. It's actually using the time of flight sensor that's built into most Android devices. Even if your phone doesn't have that, it will roll back to the older version, which is still kind of cool, but you can basically use it on both types of devices. I'm obviously using this on my Galaxy S26 Ultra, so this does actually have the actual sensor, so it actually has a real depth field of view. It's a little bit higher resolution than the Connect SLS depth view that only had a few shades of in the background. This is my hand. It's almost transparent, but we can mess with the range here, so you do have control over the range. Down the bottom of the screen here you have close, which makes everything up closer to the camera a little bit easier to see. So depending on the size of room you're in, you can kind of mess with it to see further away or up close. So you have to kind of mess with it to your suitability. Up the green one, this green control at the top, this is for the stick figure tracking. It's using the exact same one that's in the SLS AI Pro mobile app. So you will see when it's away up at the relax setting, it will kind of map to stuff in a few, but it is kind of checked off. It's still got the volumetric measurements and stuff like that. It will keep things in check, but if I was to stand there in front of this, you would see it maps to people no problem. Anyway, this is just a little demo of the real depth view. It's basically a little plugin. What's it called again? It's called Google AR Core. If you're interested in building something like this, you would just basically use that library, and it is for devices which do have the time of flight sensor for focusing the camera, etc., so it can actually pinpoint exactly where things are in the environment, and yeah, it gives you a nice depth view like so. So yeah, kind of cool. I'm going to leave it, guys, because I am waffling on, and I shall catch you guys in the next one. I also want to mention as well, I will have a demo of this application that you can try before it's released on Google Play. There's still quite a few things I want to add to this, and like recording, stuff like that, so you can basically do stuff with it and things like that. But to open this menu, all you have to do is tap the screen anywhere on the screen, and it opens up this little control menu. And yeah, it's very basic at the minute because I've only just been working on this today. But yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there because I'm waffling on again. I will leave a link in the description where you can download the application if you wish to try it. Now, you will obviously need an Android device. It will need to be a kind of newer Android device if you want the sort of best performance and stuff like that. So I do recommend something within the last sort of 3 years, 4 years at the maximum, to get the best out of the application. Anyway, it'll be up for testing if you wish to try it before it goes onto the Google Play Store. And that's basically, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.